So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to buy Axis Bank now in the market level. So let's buy it and see how the stock will perform. Okay, so I just bought it now. Okay, so you can see the market is 0.65% down. Yes, the market looks very bearish, but this stock is at a very good support level. Okay, so you can see it is opening just above the price where it has closed in the previous day itself. It has taken a good support from there, and you can see the first 15 minutes candle. It is getting strong buyers. Okay, so that's the reason I have selected buy on Axis Bank. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, plan to take like 0.5% target, which is almost like 4 points, but if the stock continues to go up, then I can extend my target till 6 or 7 points maximum. Okay, so the stock price is almost like above 800, so 8 rupees will be the 1% of the stock approximately. So let's see how it will perform. The market is still continuing to go down, so if the market takes support somewhere and if the market tries to go up, then our stock can easily go up, is what the view is. But anyway, let's wait for the stock to give some momentum. Okay, so the resistance level is bit above, so around 868 or somewhere around there is a big resistance level for Axis Bank, but there is strong support at 860. Okay, so let's see. And guys, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support, plus the live market guidance will be given to make you as a profitable trader. To provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to the trade. You can see the stock is still trading in the same level, so let's wait for it and let's see. Okay, so the high made as of now is 863.40. Yes, now the stock is getting some potential to go up, but the market is still in the bearish level, so we need to wait for the market to give the push. Okay, so it is trying to make new highs here. If you guys can see, yes, almost 864 touched here, if you guys can see. Okay, so now the momentum is building, but the market is still in the bearish side. So anyway, we'll see how it will perform and we'll be safe and we'll take the exit soon if the stock tends to turn to it downside. Okay, so we'll see how the momentum will be there. According to that, I'll plan my exit. So right now I'm still aiming to get like 0.5% target itself. Okay, so guys, you can see the live trade now, and once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So guys, yes, the stock did come up till 167.80 somewhere, and I took my exit with almost 7 points. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of Axis Bank. Okay, so yes, you can see the Nifty is down by 0.78% down, and still the stock did perform well. Okay, so it did go up, and yes, in between it did come down a bit, and I was still holding it because I know this stock had a good support level. Okay, it almost opened where the previous day was closed. Okay, so that's why I took a strong support and I took my exit and it went up. So yes, so if you guys wish to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit, and if you guys wish to get the live market guidance from me, like the same trade what I do, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.